Hello all. My name is Purna. I am from AML and I am giving the presentation on JavaScript concepts, closures, callbacks, promises, and sync await. This is the closure.js file, which has a function as outer, which is a closure function which resembles its lexical scope even when executed outside that scope. The key point is that inner function, which is given here, this one, retains access to outer variable even after outer function finishes execution. In this function we will be giving counter plus and return counter so that we can use this function at any time we need and increment them so that we can get the all tasks done in an increment way. And this is the file for that, and the next file is callback. In this callback.js file we have created all the callbacks that are needed, and the callback function is passed as an argument. Here we will be giving an argument as callback, which goes to another function to execute later. And that in this time set timeout function we have given data received as a callback, and using this function we can later call that and get all the callback details we are expecting. And the key points in this are the callback function executes after the asynchronous operation which is going to be completed. This whole process is an asynchronous process. Now coming to promise.js file, in this we are giving promise handling, which are asynchronous operations done by representing a future value or an error. Here we will be giving a future value with using dot then here, so that we can catch error, and dot which can be used to resolve and reject the error which I have made. If the process is completed well, then we will be getting as a data received, or else we will be using this dot then to catch the errors in this function. Later is the async.js file. In this file we handle promises with a cleaner or more synchronous looking way. Here in promise.json we only use dot then to catch the errors, but in async.js we will be using await function to fetch the data, which is more cleaner to handle the promises than the later file we have used. Here we use the await to pause execution until the promise resolves. This is the syntax we have used for this. Encapsulation with closures is the to-do list uses closures to encapsulate all the array and provide methods. Functionalities add tasks. Example, to-dos.add, like title task. That is the task we are using to add using dot add. Mark as complete. Example, to-dos dot mark as complete. And we are also using overdue, due today, due later for categorizing the task, which tasks are due date earlier than today. Due today is the task due today, and due later are the tasks with the future due date. We can later complete those tasks. Readable list display formats tasks with X or square brackets to indicate completion status. Includes data which are necessary. For the walkthrough of execution, we first need to set up, then task initialization, display task, and we can find all due todays and due laters. For the task setup, we need to do the dates are formatted such that formatted date Here the example, yeah, we can say like today, yesterday, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. They are the example dates. We can use it to format the dates. And to initialize the tasks using format, this is the code, so that we can initialize the task from here, such that we can get yesterday, today, and tomorrow's dates. And later we display task as overdue, due today, and due later. Here this is the code for overdue, which gives the information about mm, the task that is need to be done still. And due today is the function, is the concept to do the task by end of this day or today. And due later, this is the code for due later, which is used to which is used to complete the task before the last day without having any dues. And to get the output, let us run the code again. We are using a node to run this code. It is the environment for running JavaScript code. From the above code, we can say that submit assignment 2004 12 14 is the overdue, and in the due today, which is to be completed today, pay rent and service vehicle as is there. Here we can see this here. Pay rent and service, all the tasks are listed here, and they are divided into three parts as overdue, due later, and due today and due later. In due later, there are two tasks as a file to access on a particular day and pay electric bill on 24th, 12th, and 16th. Thank you.